Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can elevate your morning coffee experience. We found the Cuisinart DGB-400GRD replacement grind and brew 12-cup grinder, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Cuisinart DGB-400GRD is an essential component for anyone who owns a Cuisinart Grind and Brew coffee maker, specifically the DGB-400 and DGB-400NAS models. This replacement grinder assembly features a powerful stainless steel blade that is designed to efficiently grind whole coffee beans, ensuring that each brewing cycle delivers fresh and full-flavored coffee. If you love the taste of freshly ground beans but have been experiencing issues with your grinder, this replacement part is just what you need. One of the standout features of the DGB-400GRD is its OEM, original equipment manufacturer, quality. This means you're getting a product that is designed to fit perfectly and restore your coffee maker's grinding performance to its original state. The complete grinder assembly is straightforward to install, making it a hassle-free solution for users looking to maintain their coffee maker's efficiency. Plus, it's built to handle the daily grind, literally. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand repeated grinding cycles while maintaining reliable performance. This grinder is particularly suitable for coffee enthusiasts who value the flavor and freshness that comes from grinding their beans just before brewing. If you appreciate the nuances of different coffee varieties or simply enjoy a robust cup of joe to kickstart your day, this grinder will enhance your brewing experience. It's also a great option for households that brew multiple cups throughout the day, as it can handle the demands of daily use without compromising on quality. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine waking up in the morning and being able to enjoy a cup of coffee that tastes just as fresh as if you were at your favorite cafe. With the Cuisinart DGB-400GRD, you can easily grind your favorite beans to your desired coarseness right in your kitchen. Whether you're making a single cup for yourself or brewing a full pot to share with family, this grinder ensures that each cup is packed with flavor. It's also perfect for those who love experimenting with different coffee blends, allowing you to customize your brew to suit your taste preferences. In summary, the Cuisinart DGB-400GRD replacement grind and brew grinder is a fantastic investment for anyone who owns a compatible Cuisinart coffee maker. With its powerful stainless steel blade, OEM quality, and durable design, it restores your coffee maker's grinding performance and elevates your morning routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,